Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn Inter 1B Maths chapter number 2 transformation of axis exercise number 1 question number 8. When axes are rotated through an angle 60 degree, the new coordinates of 3 points are the following: 3, 4, minus 7, 2 and 2, 0. Find the original coordinates. So here the axes are rotated through an angle 60 degree. Here the new coordinates are given, so he was asking to find the original coordinates. So very simple question. Now I will explain two questions. One question will be given as a homework. So just to see now, so given the angle, so theta is equal to how much given? 60 degrees is given, and new coordinates are given, that is x dash comma y dash. X dash y dash means new coordinates, so that is the 3, 4. So you write here new coordinates. Okay, we have to find original coordinates. That is x comma y. To find this we are going to use one formula here, that is x y x dash y dash cos theta sin theta minus sin theta, here cos theta. So with the help of this box we are going to find the original coordinates. So here x dash means new coordinates, x and y means original coordinates. So now we have to find original coordinates. So just you see here, so now we have to find the original coordinates, that is x and y. So now we will write the formula here. X is equal to x dash into cos theta plus y dash into minus sin theta. Similarly, y is equal to x dash into sin theta plus y dash into cos theta. So now we will substitute the values and we are going to find out the value of x and y. So just you see here, x is equal to x dash. How much value is given x dash here? 3. Y dash is 4. Angle is 60. So substitute here, x dash is 3 cos 60 degree. Y dash is nothing but 4 into minus is there here sin 60 degree. So simplify this. Cos 60 degree is nothing but 1 by 2, plus into minus is minus, 4 into sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. So simplification, you see, 3 ones are 3 by 2 minus 4 times root 3 by 2. So this is the value of x, or we can write like this also. 2 is the common denominator for both. 3 minus 4 times root 3 by 2. This is the value of x. So now we have to find y value. Y is nothing but x dash into sin theta plus y dash into cos theta. So now we substitute the values here. X dash is 3, sine of angle is 60 is given, y dash is 4, cos of 60 degree, angle is 60 degrees is given. So just you see here, y is nothing but 3 times sin 60 is root 3 by 2, plus 4 times cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. So 3 into root 3 by 2 plus here 4 by 2. Both having the common denominator, we can write 3 times root 3 plus 4 by 2. So this is the value of y. So this is the value of x. So therefore x comma y is nothing but 3 minus 4 times root 3 by 2 comma 4 plus 3 times root 3 by 2. First real number. After that irrational number we should write. So now we will see question number 2. Here the new coordinates are minus 7 comma 2. We have to find the original coordinates. Angle is 60 degree. Same method, same formula we have to. Now we will solve this question. So given theta is equal to 60 degree, new coordinates x dash comma y dash is equal to minus 7 comma 2. So we have to find the original coordinates by using the formula x y x dash y dash, cos theta sin theta minus sin theta comma cos theta. Use this box and find out the original coordinates. If original coordinates are given, we can find out new coordinates by using this box. If new coordinates are given, we can find out the original coordinates by using this box. So x is equal to x dash into cos theta plus y dash into minus sin theta. So I will find out this x value first. X dash how much given? Minus 7. Theta is 60 degree. Y dash is 2 into minus sin 60 degree. Minus 7. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 2 into minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is simply plus into minus is minus, minus 7 by 2 plus into minus is minus 2 times root 3 by 2. Both having the common denominator, directly you write minus 7 minus 2 times root 3 by 2. This is the value of x. Similarly, we have to find the value of y. So y is nothing but, so x dash into sin theta plus y dash into cos theta. Now substitute the values. Here the x dash is nothing but how much? Minus 7. Y dash is nothing but 2. Theta is 60. So minus 7 into sin 60 plus 2 into cos 60. So minus 7 into sin 60 is how much? root 3 by 2 plus 2 times cos 60 is 1 by 2. So just you see here, minus 7 times root 3 by 2 here. 2 into 1 is nothing but 2 by 2 here. So both having the common denominator, take 2 as a common denominator, directly add the numerators. Minus 7 times root 3 plus 2. So first you write rational number, next you write irrational number. So 2 minus 7 times root 3 by 2. This is the value of y. So x value is minus 7 minus 2 times root 3 by 2. Y value is 2 minus 7 times root 3 by 2. Therefore original coordinates x comma y is equal to minus 7 minus 2 times root 3 by 2 comma 2 minus 7 times root 3 by 2. So these are the original coordinates. Similarly, one more question is there, question number 3 here. Solve this question number 3 as a homework. By seeing these two problems, try to solve question number 3. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.